Now it's time to make the eyes. First, crochet 2 eye pieces using the techniques you already know. Leave a 6-inch yarn tail for sewing. Once you're done, insert the eyes into these pieces. Grab the eye. It comes with a sparkly disc. Place the disc on the post of the eye. Insert the eye into the center of the first round of the eye piece. Grab the backing and place it onto the eye post from the back. Press until it locks. Now take the yarn tail on the inside of the eye piece. Lay it inside the piece or cut it. Thread your needle and fasten off the eye the same way you fastened off the body. Insert the needle under the front loop of each of the 12 stitches. Once you've gone through all 12 stitches, pull the yarn tail to tighten the opening behind the backing. The backing and post should now be fully covered. Pull some more if necessary. Then guide the needle right into the stitch beneath the yarn tail and out at the rim of the eye to prepare it for sewing onto the body. Make the second eye repeating all these steps.